2,643 feet above sea level. And in semi-buttoned, step out into a complete digital park. So high country, Mt San Jacinto State Park at an elevation 8,516 feet above sea level. We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable.
이거 문 열어놨네.
At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. The wildlife will have changed, and the trees, flowers, and
이게 더 익사이딩하다.
The tallest is tower 1 at 227 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. All of the towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to the various sites by helicopter.
이게 빙글빙글 도는 거야.
For the original tramway, the helicopters flew some 23,000 flights without missing, carrying a total of 1,200,000 pounds of materials through this rugged canyon. For the new rotating transit cars, the improvements include new cable, drive system, and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. You'll see survey marks along the rock face during the trip that indicates where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during their travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente Band of Tui Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, boulder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left of us, or south of the tram car, is but one of the many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we pass through a variety of different light zones ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, at the top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now on the remaining towers further along. As you no doubt already know, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion is the car moving from the tower and back to the flexible track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in the support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables upon which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of more than 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers.
저렇게 빨리 내려가네.
This happens past the other. While it appears the downward car is traveling much faster than the car, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system.
We're coming up to tower 3. Please hold on. We will swing a little bit more on this tower. This is the front tower.
The Valley Station is pulling up down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The promise drive was first conceived in the early 1950s. To this day, is known as the father of the tramway. Originally, it was completed in September 1963, after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 billion, all financed with the sale of revenue bonds. In April of 1998, 팜스프링의 Aerial Tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramway to undertake the construction and installation of these new rotating tram cars, one of which you are riding, at a total cost of $12 million. Just as in the very beginning, no tax dollars were used in the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its revenue.
세금 한 푼도 안 썼다 이거지? 야, 저기 봐라 저기.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span on our journey. The cables stretch for more than half a mile.
아빠 눈 봐요,
North of the star is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of the Chino Cathedral Rock, visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big-toned lodgepole, fir. Natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel. The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57 and 1/2 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. There, the view is truly.
이 나무 좀 어떻게 이렇게?
소리 지르지 마.
여기서 밥은 먹으면 안 되겠다.
상이야 저기 봐라 저기.
Below, you will be able.
이유에 와서 이렇게.
귀여워. 사진도 좋겠다.
마운틴 스테이션. 이거 제가 이거 찍어.
어디?
이분 이게 마운틴 스테이션이에요.
내가
여기서 찍어 이 아래에서.